Are you trying to figure out whether Leadpages or Landingi is the best landing page software for your needs? Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll share my personal experience with both platforms and even recommend a better alternative. Let's start by looking at Leadpages. Leadpages is well known for its ease of use, offering a drag and drop builder that allows even beginners to quickly design landing pages. If you're not very tech savvy, this could be a great option. It comes with a decent selection of templates and integrations, but the free version can feel a bit limited in features. Plus, the design options aren't as flexible as you might expect, which could be a downside for people with more advanced needs. Next thing, let's talk about Landingi. Landingi offers a similarly user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop builder, but the standout here is its focus on customization. You get more control over your designs compared to Leadpages, which is great if you have some experience with landing page creation or if you need to align your designs with more complex marketing strategies. Landingi also provides unlimited integrations, even in its lower tier plans, which can save you some money if you need to integrate with multiple tools. The third thing to consider is pricing. Leadpages offers 3 pricing plans, and while it's not the cheapest, it's fairly reasonable given the features it provides. However, the basic plan has some restrictions, like limited landing page views and A/B testing. Landingi's pricing, on the other hand, is a bit more straightforward, offering a pay-once plan in addition to their monthly options. While it can get expensive quickly, Landingi is definitely one of the more flexible options when it comes to scalability. Moving on, we need to discuss customer support. Leadpages offers support through live chat, email, and a comprehensive knowledge base. But many users have reported slow response times, especially during peak periods. Landingi offers similar support options, including chat, email, and phone support for higher tier plans. Some users claim that Landingi's customer service is more responsive overall, which can be a huge factor if you need help quickly. The fifth thing to look at is landing page speed. Speed is a huge factor when it comes to conversion rates. Leadpages does a decent job in this area, with pages loading quickly in most cases. However, some advanced users have noted that page load speeds can slow down when certain templates or elements are used. Landingi, on the other hand, seems to perform better when it comes to keeping page speeds fast, even with more complex elements in place. The sixth thing to mention is analytics and A/B testing. Both platforms offer solid analytics, but Leadpages' A/B testing features are only available on higher tier plans. Landingi, however, includes A/B testing on all plans, which is a huge bonus for anyone who needs to optimize their campaigns frequently. Finally, while Leadpages and Landingi both offer solid features, after testing them out myself, I found that there's a better option out there if your goal is to create high-converting, beautiful landing pages quickly and without the hassle. The software I'm recommending comes with a free trial, so you can test it out risk-free. And through the first link in the description, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while Leadpages and Landingi each have their strengths, if you're serious about building landing pages that convert, be sure to check out the link in the description and try out the best alternative I've found. Don't forget, you'll get the best free trial and perks when you use our link.